Welcome to our geography lesson on field study report. So you guys should have been exposed to writing up a project or a field report. So it's quite similar, but for this lesson we're going to be more specific on some things. So the cover page is the first page. This must include your title of study, name, center number, and that's the number that we use for Jamaica College, name of school, teacher, territory, in this case Jamaica, year of study, as well as the date that you complete the work, and a picture that's related to the study is also recommended. Next we have the table of contents. So this includes a list of content with their corresponding pages, and please ensure that you number the pages for your report. Next we have the introduction, which tells us what the report is about. So you can use the aim of study, which is usually on the worksheet or questionnaire that you get, and you just change it into a sentence. You can also give a background knowledge of the area. So for example, if you're using Kingston, you can Google Kingston and see if there's anything you can jot down regarding Kingston. And then finally you state why the topic was chosen. For example, the topic was chosen because of the researcher's interest in, and then you mention the topic. Why the area was selected, you can mention, for example, because it is related to the research topic or convenient for the researchers. Next we have the aim of study. So this tells us what we have accomplished from the field study. So usually this is on the questionnaire or the worksheet that you get. So basically you just retype or you copy and paste the aim from your questionnaire, and it's usually in the form of a statement or question with the area or place, comma, followed by the parish, comma, and finally the territory. Next we have the methodology. So this tells us where the study was collected, where the data was collected, and when the data was collected, and finally how the data was collected. So usually for the how, you mention the instruments used as well as the strategies. So for example, if you did a interview session, usually you use a questionnaire to interview persons. So the questionnaire would be an instrument and the interview session would be a method. And how you did it, usually you would do it randomly, random selection. So any random person you saw, you just interviewed, and you mentioned the total number of persons you interviewed. And this must be done in one paragraph. So let me give an example. On March 10, 2020, a group of researchers conducted a field study at Robbins Bay, St. Mary, Jamaica. This was done by collecting data using a questionnaire whereby interview sessions were conducted with randomly selected persons, as well as persons who were willing to do the interview. Observations were made, and a total of 50 persons were used for the questionnaire and interview. So that's a good example. You could put all of these in one paragraph.